Hello everyone, this is Sridhan Verma doing MBBS in Usmania Medical College. I am here to build the way towards the doctor side. You know, in this pandemic, how important the doctors are. Most of the children want to become doctor nowadays. If you also want to become a doctor, then you must have to watch this video. Yes, most of the students think that biology is a cramming subject. We should mug it up. Always we have to read 24 hours, but it is the subject that we have to mug up. There are many interesting facts in biology that we maybe understand without mugging. Let me tell you with a simple example. Now I will give you a number. Just try to remember it. Yes, 8911121314. Just try to remember it as much as you can. Yes, now I am deleting it. Yes, now can anyone tell me the number? It's 889101121314. This is the number, right? How did you remember that? If you have a great memory, then it's easy to remember you, right? But most of the students do not deserve it. Let me show you something. Now this mugging up this whole number is somewhat difficult, but what I do is just I want to divide this number. Just see. Yeah, I am dividing this number. Yeah, now what it become? Yeah, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Yes, right. Now it is easy to remember this number. Yeah, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Rather than mugging up all this number, we can easily divide this number, right? Yeah, the same thing is applicable in biology also, especially in remembering tablet names. Yes, it is very simple. First, we should take that word, then divide it accordingly, and then just try to understand that. Rather than mugging, it is easy to understand. So don't think it is harder and we cannot do MBBS, we can go in other pathway. So don't think like that. It is easier, trust me. It will be very interesting and exciting once you have entered to MBBS life. It will be a awesome experience you may feel. Yes, coming to the subject, I will be telling the basics that you want to enter into an inter. Once you have these basics, then you can crack the subject in inter. Yeah, I will be telling about cell, the basic unit of life. Next, let us see classification. Next, let us look into body basics. Body basics. Yeah, these are enough mostly. And if we come to classification, there are two types: plant and animal. Yeah, this is a huge subject. Classification is a huge subject, and you can cover almost half of the inter's first year syllabus in it. But it is just a basic. We may get in 8th, 9th, 10th also. Yes, if we look into the first cell chapter, every biology book will first starts with cell, right? If you open the first lesson, even in our MBBS also, if you open the first lesson in any biology book, there will be the cell. The cell line, this is a basic unit of life. So you should be thorough with this first chapter, and next let us look into classification, and next with body constituents or body basics.